Most of us take our phones wherever we go, but we rarely clean them. Our beloved screens become a playground for nasty germs, and we end up consuming them by the billions. There are the few who go to extremes in the battle against bacteria, but in the process, they waste tons of wipes and deposit toxic chemicals into rivers and oceans.
Introducing Splash, the first universal keychain germ exterminator. It fits anywhere, goes everywhere, and kills everything.
Yep, that easy. Splash takes care of the problem that is right in front of you.
Germ. Phone germ. Nice to meet you. I get it. You're worried about your hands. What about your phone? You guys are glued to them all day long, whether your hands are clean or not, so they stay just how I like them. Nice and dirty.
You touch handrails, doors, elevator buttons, where my gang is waiting. Then you wash your hands, but never use your phone.
You play with it while eating, and our feast begins. Tastes like chicken with salmonella.
It's time to change our ways. We created Splash to kill germs instantaneously.
The highest grade microfiber and a special environmentally friendly antibacterial solution render your touchscreen shiny and germ-free.
It even has a built-in sprayer for uneven surfaces, so you can spray whatever you need, whenever you want. The bactericide solution we offer is 100% safe and can be used to sanitize your hands. You can refill Splash in seconds and save yourself the frustration of those sanitizers that are never there when you need them. If you really care about your health and the environment, help us to bring Splash to you. Clean Earth, clean us.
Are you on your phone now?